Honoring the Navajo Code Talkers. In 1942, 29 Navajo recruits were tasked with using the Navajo language to develop an unbreakable code that would be used during military operations in World War II. The Navajo recruits developed two types of codes to transmit messages. The first involved using Navajo terms that replaced English letters and could spell out a word. The second used words that could be translated from English to Navajo. To make the code even more difficult to crack, they would take words from Navajo and use them to stand in for different things, like using the names of birds for various types of airplanes. Serving as radio men and frequently targeted by enemy combatants, by the time World War II ended, 400 Navajos contributed to the Code Talker program. The work of the Code Talkers was essential to the war effort. As Major Howard Connor stated, quote, "If it were not for the Navajos, the Marines would have never taken Iwo Jima." After World War II, the Code Talker program remained classified. It was not until 1968 the program was declassified and members could finally share their important contributions to Allied success. In 2000, then-President Bill Clinton signed a law awarding the Congressional Gold Medal to the original 29 Code Talkers. In 2001, then-President George W. Bush presented the medals to the 4 surviving Code Talkers at a ceremony in the Capitol Rotunda. Honoring the Navajo Code Talkers.